After learning how to master the skills he was teaching me, I was able to implement that process to mastering other art forms. But on the path to enlightenment, becoming a master is really only the first step. You know, there's lots of masters who don't have enlightenment. To attain enlightenment, you have to learn how to harness your focus on every moment of your life. Sitting meditation is a way to practice your focus, and it's a way to practice focusing and clearing your mind, but you're also limiting a lot of the extraneous distractions that arise from your surroundings. You know, so we try to do it in a quiet room. We try to close our eyes so we're not seeing things, and tune out whatever we're hearing, and just clearing our mind. But you can't sit still forever, right? You have to be able to move around in order to survive and live your life. So inevitably, when you do that, it gives rise to more thoughts. So you have to always go back to meditation, and engaging in an artistic practice of some sort can help you learn how to focus your mind and meditate while you're moving around. So trying to apply it to everything you're doing. You know, when you're doing something, don't let your thoughts come between you and whatever that action is you're doing. And I find just doing some sort of art or something you're really passionate about, putting your heart into, is a good way to learn how to focus that in a controlled setting.